Hello, my name is Steven Kitian. Welcome to my presentation. My favorite farm animal is the cat. This is my cat, Mittens. Mittens is a beautiful striped cat. He is cute, small, but very energetic. He has sharp claws and a very fluffy tail. His personality is playful and independent. He is very clever because he is the best at catching mice in the barn. Right now, Mitten is very busy. He is standing near the feed bags. Oh look, he is chasing a mouse. The mouse is running fast, but Mitten is moving stealthily. Now he is climbing on top on the eye. It looks like one is watching for mice from he spot. He is grip heel on the phone. Thank you for watching my presentation about my cat. Goodbye.